doing? Girl, I'm getting ready. I'm about to go out. Again? Hey, man. I'm gonna have to be at the house by myself again. Yes, again. Which wig should I wear? Should I wear the I'm Ratchet and I'm a baby mama, we just gonna fuck after we eat wig? Or should I wear the Beyonce, I'm so flawless you can't touch this pussy wig? You wear the Beyonce wig. Good choice, girl. The Beyonce wig. You gonna have sex with him anyway. Man, you just mad cause you a hoe. Get the door. Who are you? Your mother's date. Mario date outside. I'm gonna take the live lobster. I'm gonna take the shrimp. Y'all got shrimp on here? Y'all got shrimp. Shrimp? Shrimp. Let me get them clams right there. Clams. Ooh. Clams. Are you correcting me? Oh no, I wasn't correcting you. I was just thinking you when you said it, you reminded me to get clams. So yeah, I was not correcting you. You right. No.
And for my drink, let me get a Spirit. That'll be all.
I'm sorry, ma'am. What?
I said a Spirit. Y'all act like y'all. You can't read this up there. It says Spirit.
I'll just take steak well done with a water. What about your clams, sir? Oh, get the clams. No, never mind. I you know what? We could share. We could share those. So I don't want them. Okay. So what? What do you do for work? Like, what do you do? Well, I'm a vegetarian assistant. A vegetarian? What? You mean a veterinarian? Oh, veterinarian, vegetarian, same thing. You know what? I'll be right back. I'm just gonna use the bathroom real quick, run my car, and get my wallet I left in the car. I'll be right back, baby girl.